Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy mango mojito recipe made without refined sugar or soda. A super healthy, refreshing and cooling summer drink. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Add in some water and allow the basil seeds to swell up. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Also note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a video on the difference between chia seeds and basil seeds. Basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summers. So I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. I'm using one medium-sized Alfonso mango. I'm going to peel the mango and chop the mango. I'm adding in the chopped mango into my chutney grinder. Into this I'm adding in 4 to 5 mint leaves. And I'm going to blend this really well to make it into a mango puree. Okay, now the mango and mint leaves are nicely ground. The addition of mint leaves will give a nice minty flavor to the mojito. And I'm going to keep this aside. I'm slicing a lemon into half. And then I'm slicing that half into 4. Removing the seeds. Half of a lemon is cut into wedges and the seeds are removed. Add the lemon wedges into the serving glass. Add in 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves. Add in half teaspoon organic sugarcane jaggery. Now the jaggery I'm using does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly into the serving glass. I'm adding the jaggery into the serving glass. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, I'm going to muddle or crush the jaggery, mint and the lemon wedges. Okay, now the basil seeds has swelled up. I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the soaked basil seeds into the serving glass. Add in half of the blended mango puree. With the blended mango puree, you can make 2 servings of mango mojitos and lightly give it a good mix. Add in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Couple of ice cubes. Give it a light stir. Some extra basil seeds on top. Garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy mango mojito is ready to serve. So guys, do try this mango mojito and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.